What is Morgan Stanley? Have you ever wondered what sets Morgan Stanley apart in the world of finance? Let's break it down. Morgan Stanley is a major American multinational financial services company. It primarily operates as an investment bank and wealth management firm. Headquartered in New York City, it has a global presence with offices in 42 countries and employs more than 80,000 people. The firm serves a diverse client base that includes corporations, governments, financial institutions, and individual investors. Morgan Stanley was founded in 1935 by Henry Sturgis Morgan and Harold Stanley. This establishment came about in response to the Glass-Steagall Act, which separated commercial banking from investment banking in the United States. Over the years, Morgan Stanley expanded its operations significantly. In 1997, it merged with Dean Witter Discover and Company, a retail brokerage and financial services company. The merged entity reverted to the Morgan Stanley name in 2001. The company operates through three main segments. The first is institutional securities. This segment provides investment banking services, including advisory on mergers and acquisitions, capital raising, sales and trading of securities, lending, and market research. It serves governments, corporations, financial institutions, and wealthy individuals. The second segment is wealth management. Morgan Stanley assists individuals, families, and businesses in managing and growing their wealth. This includes financial planning, investment advisory, and brokerage services. This segment competes with banks and credit unions that offer personal finance and investment products. The third segment is investment management. This area focuses on managing investment portfolios for governments, institutions, corporations, and individual clients. It helps address complex investment challenges through asset management and related services. From the perspective of banks and credit unions, Morgan Stanley primarily operates in investment banking and wealth management rather than traditional commercial banking. While it does have some commercial banking functions, its main focus is on capital markets, securities trading, and investment advisory services. This sets it apart from typical banks and credit unions, which concentrate on deposit accounts, loans, and retail banking services. Morgan Stanley is considered important in the global financial system due to its size and interconnectedness with other financial institutions. Its role in raising, managing, and distributing capital is essential for economic growth and market liquidity. In practical terms for banks and credit unions, Morgan Stanley can be seen as both a partner and a competitor, depending on the service area. For instance, Morgan Stanley's wealth management services may overlap with credit unions' personal finance offerings. However, its institutional securities business operates in a different space focused on large-scale corporate and government finance. Overall, Morgan Stanley is a leading global investment bank and financial services firm. It plays a key role in capital markets, wealth management, and investment management, distinct from but complementary to the traditional banking services provided by banks and credit unions.